Good morning, it is day 2 of Taiwan.
We are on our way to Taipei main station where we're going to meet our tour guide.
And today we'll be going to Jiufen and Old Shifen station.
We booked the tour for £20 per person, which includes bus transportation and an English-speaking tour guide.
Our first stop is the Yehliu Geopark, which contains loads of different rock formations, but you do have to use your imagination to picture what these are.
Camel, okay, camel.
Sure, what is this?
This is a camel apparently.
Yeah, if you say so.
Hey, we're missing the cute princess.
Yeah, one is cup, another where? Okay, and front side have candle, okay, candle, ginger, okay, mushroom, okay, ice cream there, ice cream.
I'm not sure what we're looking at here, but
The tour guide told us that these rock formation was due to wind, tides and erosion, which produces these weird shapes. Admission to this geopark cost us around £3, which is around 120 Taiwanese dollars. Apparently, this rock right here is meant to be known as the Queen's Head. People are queuing up, look. Take a picture with that. We're on, which one do you want?
I'll just share one.
We're now going on a mini hike to our next stop.
we are walking to the waterfall. Oh, here. Tour guide walking so quick. Okay, go. Run.
Thank you.
Very quickly.
Where's that pretzel?
Oh, let's see. It's got your bananas. This tastes like mini cheddars.
We are now on our way to Shifen Old Street.
Dying smell. The tour guide's walking with such pace. Thank you. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Oh, that's pretty good.
And we've arrived just in time to see the train passing by.
This is the place where we're going to be writing our wishes on a lantern. We bought the multicolour lantern, which was around £5 to £6. However, you can get other types of lantern which could be cheaper or more expensive.
lantern represents a different type of wish or blessing, so you can get like health or wealth or love.
Okay, now look at me, video. 1, 2, 3, go.
Dad's got all the food.
4 chicken wings, 2 Jiufen bowl, 1 ice cream. And the ice cream's melting. I'm ready. How many did they give us? 3. Pork sausage and chicken wing rice.
It doesn't taste like the Cambodian one either, or the Chinese one. There's definitely more rice to chicken. It gets you at the beginning because there's a big shell of chicken at the top. And then it's all rice. You do this one, you should know him. Sausage in one hand, chicken in the other.
Cambodian way.
Good? And it's the peanut ice cream.
It's essentially just vanilla ice cream and shaved
gonna melt.
peanuts that's been wrapped in a thin flour crepe. And traditionally it's served with coriander inside too, but I wasn't feeling too adventurous today.
You want to try this one, Dad?
Street dumpling, first try, Katie. I don't think there's any soup in it because it's already. Oh, my one was already buzzed. Still good, right? This is average one apparently.
That one's better yesterday, actually.
Yeah, it's still, but this is still better than UK's best one.
But apparently people come to the UK to eat. So long about their thing. This is rough. You know, I can have another black sausage.
Yeah.
And now we're on our way to our final stop, Jiufen.
Our guide said Jiufen is famous for 2 things. One of them is the taro mochi balls, and the other one is the beef noodle soup. This noodle place is famous, apparently. We ordered their signature beef shank, tripe, and tendon noodles.
Okay. Actually, may I have a bite of your loin, please? Yeah? I just want a bite,
The noodle is, I'll bet take it. Tendon. and try.
Okay, it is really good.
The noodles good. Your bowl? Too salty? I think it's a bit salty. The noodles really good.
Then this one is the tender.
Try this one, taro ball. If you're craving Taiwanese braised beef noodle in Jiufen, you should come to this place because the noodles are very good. Oh, very nice. Thank you. I only had it from that just now, the restaurant. Do you want one more? I think one's enough. Nice. What was that?
Just ice.
Oh, look at the black ball.
I know it doesn't sound particularly appetizing, but it actually was really good. The taro mochi balls were really nice and soft and chewy, and it had some beans in there as well, and that served over sweet soup was surprisingly delicious.
Okay.
Taro is good.
Is there anything on it?
There's only like little balls.
We finally made it back to Taipei main station, and now we're on our way to the night market. Our first stop is the Fuzhou black pepper bun, which was so highly recommended to us by all of our friends. It's located right at the entrance of the Raohe Night Market, and there's a long queue, so you definitely won't miss it.
At least all the food we tried tastes.
Nothing has been bad. Inside there is pork with green onions, pepper, and sesame. This one was 65 Taiwanese dollars.
Fruit milk. You want one? Yeah. What you got?
What is it?
Dragon fruit milk.
Okay.
that good?
Fresh grilled squid.
So we found this place which has a very long queue that sells a different type of pork bun to the first one that we tried.
It looks flaky and crispy.
Spicy pork, braised pork in a flaky pastry. Okay,
Nice test.
give it a go. How is it?
Good dry.
Try.
Dry. Dry and flaky.
My
Flaky
best bite.
tone trying the... What's it called again? Jolo. How good. It's good but it's dry, right? Maybe I had the sauce.
Strong cumin taste.
But you gotta put spicy, that's the spicy apparently.
The only reason we got this one is because there was a long queue for it.
And it looked good. I think. We bought some grilled squid, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, that's good. This was 150 Taiwan dollars, which is around, it's not 50 dollars, like £5, £6. Still cheaper than the UK, because the squid in the UK is probably at least £10. Crunchy.
I like the other one. I'm not a big cumin fan, that's why. We're so full right now, but this looks so good.
Cumin, chili, and onion, no? Chili only?
Thank you.
It's crispy. Hear that?
I didn't have the mic on.
ASMR. Oh, pie looks so good.
Milk steak.
Are you sure? That didn't sound too convincing.
Milk stick.
No, that legit actually is yum.
Why do you think I'm lying then? Why do you think I'm lying then?
What's that? I'm done. Here, take the food away from me. Oh.